You were in contact with Sarah Jane almost every day. The two of you were going for drinks. The two of you had a romantic affair. I put it to you. Am I right?
No.
Have you ever slept with Mr. McBride?
Yes, I have.
Okay. So you were not in a relationship?
I was not in a relationship.
What is that? What do you call that?
A hookup?
Soms maak jy jou eie lewe moeilik. Wanneer jy entertain elke dag mense wat lank al moes gefok of het uit jou lewe uit.
Yourself, and you must pick a side now. Do you want to do McBride or do you want to do Mandla?
It'll be the world's best anti-stress video.